Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee spleen injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at can you claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your spleen. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If your spleen, which is a fist-sized organ used to filter our blood and can be found in the upper left side of our abdomen, right next to our stomach and behind our left ribs, becomes damaged, your risk of infection grows, as its job is to fight germs in the blood and controlling the level of blood cells whilst removing any damaged or old red blood cells. Put simply, whilst it's possible to survive without one, your spleen is very important, as it forms a very important part of our immune system. There are a number of different ways in which your spleen could become damaged, including but by no means limited to road traffic accidents or accidents at work. And if you've been involved in an accident which wasn't your fault that has resulted in an injury to your spleen, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a spleen injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in spleen injury, we recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with spleen injury claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to go over splenic laceration definition with you, as well as go over the full amount of compensation for loss of spleen that you may expect to receive, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work and any other expenses that you've incurred because of the accident which caused your spleen injury. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your spleen injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at injury claim amounts for spleen injury in our compensation claim amount table. In front of us we have the table for spleen injury compensation amount, and in the top category, that is for a traumatic injury, a penetrating injury of the severe severity, you can expect to receive anything from £34,280 all the way up to £49,350. This is severe injuries with both pains and serious discomfort. Then for severe non-penetrating injury of a serious severity, this will cause long-term and serious injury, you could expect to receive anything from £13,380 all the way up to £22,130. Then industrial lacerations or stab wounds, once again of a serious severity. This is a serious stab injury or deep lacerations causing internal damage. You could expect to receive anything from £5,280 all the way up to £10,040. Then loss of the spleen. This is a serious severity. You could expect to receive anything from £16,580 all the way up to £20,950. This is where there is long-term risk of infection and the immune system is damaged. Then finally, loss of the spleen, moderate severity. This is similar to the above but much less serious consequences, and you could expect to receive anything from £3,470 all the way up to £6,890. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free,
friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.